Paradise Adventure Camp, we were heading towards Cherrapunji. But in between comes a famous tourist destination, that is Kransuri Waterfall.
Man! Yeah! Gila ko! Handa ka na ko!
Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you?
There were many reasons to stop the journey. Heavy rain, dense fog, the bad roads, also few accidents. But we continued. We had some Maggi for breakfast from the shops over there. Just 1.5 km away, there is a secret place which most people don't visit. Maybe because it's hard to locate and harder to reach. It's just beside the highway and the only sign is this. Locked our bikes and started the trek down. Then comes two roads. Left goes to the viewpoint. Take the right one to feel the adventure. After 30 minutes of struggle, we got this. We enjoyed the maximum good. Wait, what was that? Never mind. Coming up was a big task, and the results are here. Kawa! Had our lunch and went straight to Nohkalikai Falls. That was all for that day. Here is the budget list.